What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today we're going to put to the test bunch of gadgets, kitchen gadgets. Let's see what I found on the internet. First of all, this is a 3D printer, a little can opener for this kind of soda cans. Let's try it out. So I got it here soda, and all I have to do is put it to here and pop it open. I love that noise, how it pops it, don't have to scratch, cut my fingers. Look at it, it goes this way, then it catches this tab or whatever you call it, and it pushes forward and up, or pushes back and up, whatever. So this is so cool, and there's instruction how to place it. So we're going to have 3 in a row for fun to see how good can we do it. 1, knocking things over. 2, 3. Love it. Do you see that little fizz out here? I just dropped it. It didn't even bubble because it pops it so quickly. Love it. Very cool little gadget, one of a kind. On my reels on Facebook, got like a couple million views. I love them, that kind of unique gadgets. What about soda cans, bottles like this? Let's open it up, try it out. Similar brand, or it's the same brand, I don't remember. Where's my knife? I need some kind of tool to open this Ziplocs. First of all, that extends. Can be for bigger bottles. So I guess they advertise those longer, skinnier bottles, different kind of drinks, even for water. So mainly for the kids, I would assume, and it should adjust. That is so cool. Let's try this out. So point it down like this, so it catches everything. Alright, I like this bubbly water, and every time I give it to my kids, they just love spilling it. Let's see if this will work. Just push this down. Oh, it's not to the bottom, so kind of unbubbling everything. Oh wow, cool. And then push this down. Okay, now it's obviously works, but what if I shake it? Good. My kids usually don't shake it anyways. Okay, the bubbly stays in there. It would definitely pop it, but my kids don't even shake it. They usually kind of tip it over, and from the pressure it does spills a little bit, but at least they're not pulling the whole thing out. So kind of win, kind of fail. Let me know in comments below what do you think. But other than that, still cool, because now you have a little store, easier for kids to drink. Still nice. Keep bananas fresh longer. You know what, let's see how it looks. I probably should have had this gadget about a week ago, or maybe 2 weeks ago. Now I can make a banana bread. A lot of people every time say, ooh, you have bad bananas. Bananas don't go bad. It's perfect for the banana bread now. So how does this work? You just put the sack through, and that's it. Probably works with more bananas, even better. But then you're going to put a little head on it, so you have bananas, kind of keeps it tight. Bananas, that keeps it fresh longer, I guess. I don't know. Here's a jar opener, and does it say which way? Here's a vintage jar opener that have been redesigned into plastic and rubber. Feels like high quality, so it can open bottles, or it can open much bigger jar. So obviously put it this way, and the coolest part is whenever I start pushing it, look, I'm gonna do 2 fingers. You see how flexible it is, and it comes out. So I don't even have to put a lot of effort to it, especially if you have injured arm, maybe like really sore after gym. It's kind of hard to open it. That will help a lot. Sometimes the pickles are very, very hard to open. But yeah, very unique vintage design, but have been redesigned. I love when they do that, because some of those antique items are really hard to get. And I love it that they redesign them and produce them again, because this is definitely a good gadget. Next 2 gadgets kind of go together. This is egg separator, this is egg opener, and on Amazon, I'm not gonna pull up a picture or whatever, the listing had that it works with the non-boiled eggs. I know, you're all going to say, it's only for boiled eggs. That's not what was the listings and pictures was on eBay. So I guess I just, how do I do this? Like this probably. Is that a magnet? Can I get, oh, it is a magnet. Alright, let's try this, a little practice. Too deep. I mean, it kind of worked. I could just remove it. And now we need to separate the egg. Let's try this. Oh man, look at that. You see how sticky that is? And you just kind of wave it around side to side and it will come off. Some of these eggs are so hard to separate. That's why this is actually another antique gadget. This existed for a long time, that kind of design, and it's truly the best egg separator. Look at that. Boom. Let's try it one more time because it's almost was perfect. Check this out. Maybe I wasn't holding it right or something like that. Okay, place the egg. I don't know, maybe like this. Nope. It's kind of hard to hold it. Definitely in the videos it was much better. That little thing would be getting stuck inside here like that, what I saw from other people, but they had different eggs. Anyways, perfect open egg again. So take it out, and once again, this is the best. Maybe shake it up and down is the best way to do it. This is some more egg whites in there. A while back somebody sent me this 3D printed cup holder. It doesn't work with this little ones, but you know, it's kind of cool if you eating without the table while you're snacking, I don't know, or just even if you do have a table, I guess it could kind of work with this ones as well. So I got it here, like instant soup, instant ramen noodle, whatever you want to have. There's a whole bunch of little things. There's a fill line right there, and look, I could comfortably cook it without burning my hand, boiling water without having a table, maybe use some kind of camping stove, and boom, we cooked it up without burning my hand off. So it is like a perfect koozie as well. And we got it here, mashed potatoes. You can still kind of put it on the table, maybe put it on a corner of the table, but most important, I can grab it and eat it. It's quite nice. Very good gadget. I guess I could cut off the handle a little bit and make it 2-finger handle. So make a life hack out of it a little bit. So cool little gadget. Open it or use it for something else. This is storage friendly sponges. So they like kind of compress, and as soon as you put it under the water, let's see, look at that. That is just satisfying. Look at that bulking up. Whoa, that's so cool. And let's just finish it off. Oops. And on this side. And now we have regular sponge. How cool is that? So that way you don't have to get a giant bag of sponges. And also when you have the regular sponges that is not compressed, they actually kind of shrivel up and get old. This one seems to be good. I had them for a long time. They're still not shriveling up. Look how much water is holding up. Very good sponges. I like it. Anytime there's a birthday party, I always don't know where is my lighter. So I got it here like a magnetic holder. So maybe put it on a garage refrigerator, maybe on the fridge. You have a lighter and there's a little magnet. Let's try something. Let's start with this. Is it magnetic enough? Oh yeah, definitely holding on really good. Well, obviously you're not going to shake the fridge, but this is nice. Okay. Very comfortable to hold it and everything. That's not in the way at all. I might just keep it right here so that way I know where it is always. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Mine definitely the soda can opener by far. I love that one. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget thumbs up this video, subscribe. See you next time.